In the rapidly evolving realm of design, maintaining a competitive edge is of utmost importance. That's why innovative tools like Uizard have captured the attention of designers and non-designers alike. Uizard is a build-without-code game-changing, AI-powered UI design tool that enables users to create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes in minutes. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Uizard is revolutionizing the way we approach design. It is time you explore the key benefits and features of Uizard, as well as its target audience and ease of use. Get ready to discover the magic of Uizard. Click the link in the video description to try Uizard for free today.